From time to time, all students will have late assignments. Canvas, unfortunately, does not give students a clear view of the impact of late or missing assignments in their grade. In order to make sure that students have up-to-date information about their assignments that helps them to understand why it is important for them to complete their work, you need to change one of the settings in Canvas. What you'll do is you'll go to the gear on the right-hand corner, upper corner, and automatically apply a grade for missing submissions. And you want that grade that's automatically applied to be 0. There are additional settings in which you can automatically apply deductions for late submissions. Please make sure if you're using that feature that you have put your submission policies and your lateness policies clearly in the syllabus. It's important to know that once students have completed assignments, even if it's late, you can go ahead and actually override and give them points. So having an automatic 0 when the assignment is late actually allows students to understand where they are, but you can still give them full credit if that's what you choose to do as their instructor.